Hi everyone, my name is Stefania. I'm glad you're watching my channel. Now I'm gonna show you how to hold a violin bow. The bow consists of several parts. The main part is a bow stick. It can be wooden or carbonic. This hair, which is made from a ponytail. The frog is the heaviest part of the bow. There is a mechanism inside the frog to tighten and loosen the hair. This is a screw. We use it to tighten and loosen the hair. The lightest part of the bow is the tip. Let's put our fingers on the bow. Bring your right hand down so that all fingers hang down. 4 fingers are on the top and thumb is below. Look, near the frog we can find a small hollow. In this hollow we put our thumb on the tip of the pad. Put our 4 fingers on the bow stick and only the little finger we put on the tip of the pad. Fingers should be round and relaxed. No tense. Some people have straight and tense fingers. Someone has curled fingers. That means your fingers go wriggly and became tense. That's a mistake. The hand should be relaxed and it should be on the bow as well as it hangs. This is correct position of the hand. Everything should be comfortable for you and the hand should be absolutely relaxed. Of course, it's not easy to do it at the first time, so I have an interesting exercise. You need only pencil or pen to do it. I've shot a video with these exercises for you and also explained the technique of placing fingers on the bow. Follow the link in the description for this video and do this exercise together with me, so you will quickly learn how to hold the violin bow, play violin with a beautiful sound and grow up your right hand skill. If you like this video and you would like to support my channel with tutorial videos, please subscribe, like and press the bell. Everyone, thanks! I wish you success and enjoy your violin practice. Bye bye!